All right, guys, 2018 Ford Explorer EcoBoost V6. Really nice car, clean. What we got done on it? Factory converter. Then Ford does a true dual already. Then it they put this cat in there that looks like an X-pipe. So it's dual in, dual out cat. Then usually has a resonator there. We cut it out and added another X-pipe. So give it that double helix effect. Take all the rasp out of the drone. Give it nice, deep, clean tone, you know? Then we also added 2 Flow FXs by Flowmaster. Part number 71416. There'll be a link in the description for them. There'll be a link for the X-pipe. This is the X-pipe SXP3. It's 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out, right there. Really nice, clean design. Look at that. The boys outdid themselves as usual. We appreciate the Exhaust Addicts family over here. They really know how to hook everything up. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And he brought his own tips by West Dawn. Here's the part number. It's huge. I'm not going to call it all out. But there'll be a link in the description for the tips also. Right there and right there. Let me show you guys out the back. Looks clean. There's the angle cut quads. Just gives it a really nice clean touch at the end. So there it is, right there and there. Let me show you the old stuff that was on it. There's the 2 mufflers. And there's the resonator that was on it. We took all that off and replaced it. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. 2017 Ford Explorer EcoBoost. Really beautiful car, as you guys can see. What we got done on it, got factory converters there, secondary converter there, or firewall converter, then secondary converter, and it comes true dual from the factory into a factory dual in, dual out resonator there. This one right there. We took it off, put straight pipes in its place, as you guys can see right there. Then what we did in the back, then continued the straight pipe that they had originally, and we put Flow FXs by Flowmaster right there and right there. Part numbers 71415. There'll be a link in the description for them, as you guys can see there and there. So it's true dual with Flow FXs right there. That's what it looks like. That's how you get them done. And if you want it quieter, you can put the Flow FXs also in here instead of the resonators. But he wanted it a little bit louder, and it's got that third cat, so it takes a lot of the sound away. There it is. There's the part numbers again. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off and the resonator. Yeah, it's nothing too loud. What do you think? No rasp?
Yeah, sounds great.
I'm glad we added the X5 in.
Yeah, X5 down.
EcoBoost. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I like this tone on it. Your sound decibels? Right at 87. Those tips give it a really nice look. I like them. They're different. EcoBoost. It's a deep tone. I like it. It sounds so good. Here's a side look of the tips. They look good on it. They match the truck perfectly. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Edition EcoBoost. What do you think? That's perfect. That's what you were looking for, no rasp, right? Yeah. That's perfect. There's sound decibels. It's not even hitting 90, that's good. When you hit it and it opens up, you hit it in sport mode, it gets a little bit louder. Go ahead and back it up. Flowmaster. perfectly clean tone, nothing crazy. There you go. Let's see if it gives us a nice launch. If it doesn't give us a nice launch, then I have to buy lunch.